Hello everyone, this is Nusrat Sultana. I'm a makeup artist from Canada. This is my first YouTube video. I never thought I will have my own makeup channel, but here I am. Today I went for a retro look with both lip and simple eye makeup. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I'm starting with the primer. This is Too Faced primer. I'm taking pump. Now I'm gonna start, I actually do my eyes first. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna use a flat angular kabuki brush and we'll take this Savannah color palette. Now I'm gonna start from the bottom of my eyebrows so that I get my shape that I want. And don't worry if it gets messy because we're gonna correct it using the concealer. So using this flat brush, I'm gonna take my concealer and correct my eyebrows. I will take this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I will shape my eyebrows. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing to my left eyebrows and then I'll be right back. So I'm done with the eyebrows. Now I'm gonna start my face. I will use MAC foundation today. And this is the shade NC30. And I will use this skincare facial spray, which is Mario Badescu. I'm gonna take and start dabbing the foundation onto my face gently. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer. And I'm gonna use the same concealer, which is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm gonna apply it in a triangular shape. I'm gonna also highlight my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And again, I'm gonna take that damn beauty blender. So I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution. This is also a drugstore product. Makeup Revolution banana powder. So I'm also gonna bake exactly the same places that I applied the concealer. I'm gonna let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes. And at the same time, I'm gonna do my eye. So I'm gonna start with using this eye primer. This is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I really like the applicator. I'm gonna use a brush to set my primer. Now I'm gonna use a blending brush. This is Kabuki blending brush. And I'm gonna use the Morphe palette. This is 35F. I'm gonna go ahead with the brown shade. This is the shade that I'm gonna use to create a transition color in my eyelid, my crease area. And I'm applying this in a circular motion. I'm gonna take a dark brown from the same palette. It's a dark brown. I'm gonna take this from the same palette. And I will blend in a circular motion at the end, like this area. And I will build it up using the same color just to get a dark color. Now I'm gonna use my hand, this gold, it's not gold, it's champagne color from the same palette. Now I'm gonna use this finger and I will apply it onto my middle, like on my lid. Look at that champagne color. And then I'm gonna take the same blending brush and blend it so that there are no more harsh lines. Now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush, like pointed kabuki brush, and this is actually not kabuki, this is Sigma E30 pencil, and I'm gonna use this champagne, like that was it's more of champagne, but this is more of silver tone. I'm just gonna take that and put it and apply it into my inner corner. Flat shader brush. This is actually was in Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm gonna take the same color that I use on my lid from the same palette, and I'm gonna actually apply it on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone. Nice and blend it. Now I'm gonna do the same thing into my left eye, and then I'll be right back. So I completed my other eye and also got lashes, fake lashes. So I really like these lashes. These are I got this from Amazon. This doesn't say anything, it just says eyelash G800. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so these are heavy drama mink lashes, which I really love. First of all, I'm gonna brush off my powder that I applied for baking. I'm gonna take a powder brush. I'm gonna take this is actually naked powder brush, and I'm just gonna brush this off. I'm gonna take this NYX Wonder pencil in nude color, and I'm gonna put this, apply this under my waterline, on my waterline. Same naked shader brush, and I'm gonna use this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt. So I'm just gonna, it's time for mascara. This is also Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express. I'm gonna take this contour brush. I will take the same NYX 3 Steps palette to contour my face, and I'm gonna take this brown shade. This is actually like not that warm, not that cool, and orange. This is perfect for my skin tone. I'm gonna make that weird face and contour my face. So now I'm gonna bronze. So I'm gonna use this Rimmel. This is also a drugstore product. This shade, as you can see, I'm almost done. I need a new one. I'm gonna take this kabuki brush, and I'm gonna take this bronzer and bronze my face and get some color. My forehead is really big, so I like to contour my forehead as well, and my chin, to bring it all together. I like to do it light-handed. I like to use angular brush to apply my blush, and this is also from Naked, as you can see, and I will use Tarte blush. I'm gonna use this highlighter palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and mix it together like with this one, and then highlight on this area. To highlight my nose. So I'm gonna use this MAC Ruby Woo, lining my. So I'm gonna actually set my makeup using the same facial spray that I've used to tan my bladed blender. I'm gonna close my eyes, use this to dry my face, and I'm gonna set my hair and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is my finished look. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also run Instagram page Makeup by Nusrat. Please follow me on Instagram, and I promise you there will be more videos, exciting videos. Until that time, bye.